a brand new update for LM Studio, which allows you to now finally use that new release from Gemma, which is Google's open source local model. Finally, you can start testing the multi-token predictor, MTP, speculative decoding, which basically is the first time ever a local AI model is able to predict more than one token at a time. This is one of the hugest breakthroughs in AI. So I've been getting about 60 tokens a second from Gemma 4 on this 64 gigabyte MacBook Pro. But let's see what happens when I update Gemma 4. As you can see in the release notes, we've got a stable release of the multi-token prediction speculative decoding, which speeds up generations with models that include built-in multi-token prediction heads. Let's test it out. I'm going to update right now with you, and let's see if it works. So I have to restart to update. Alright, so here are the release notes. Feel free to pause the video to see what they've managed to achieve. We need each build. They were first testing it. In the second build, there was the beta release. The third build, they fixed white space. And now they have a stable build, which is why they've announced the update. So let's test it now. For those who don't know, LM Studio is a way you can run local AI models on your computer. So I'm going to choose the Gemma 4. I'm actually going to choose the fastest one, the E2B model, which is so small that it's going to really give us a fast feeling of how fast this can actually go offline. All right, I'm going to show you how to get it to work. On LM Studio, on the right-hand side, when you click on the settings panel, you scroll to the bottom here and it says to you, speculative decoding. See this one here? You just click on the down arrow and then you click on read how it works. And then all of a sudden you get this nice, cute little speculative decoding. You click on next. And then it asks you what drafter to use. Now you're going to have to do this step, so make sure you save this video so you learn how to do this. And you're going to need to choose a drafter model based on how it works. Now it actually explains how this whole system works. It says speculative decoding is a technique involving a larger model and a smaller model. During generation, the draft model rapidly processes tokens for the larger model to verify like if they're correct. So the large model only says like yes, this is a good token, or no, this is a bad token. It doesn't do much more than that, which is exactly why it works so quickly, to have better quality outputs quicker. Alright, so I tried everything and I can't get the model to load. I'm getting a bug. I guess I'm gonna have to wait for the next update to try this again. I guess they're gonna probably get it to work in the near future properly for everyone. I guess enough people will complain that it's just not managing to load the draft model. So please follow along. Maybe we'll have a chance to make a follow-up to this video. See you in the next one.